Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out another high-priced Ford Bronco here. 1977 Ford Bronco with a 302 in it, and they're asking over 100 grand for this truck. Unbelievable. These Broncos are like really going up in price, which is ridiculous as far as I'm concerned. So I don't think these things are worth $100,000, even if they're like totally been restored and everything. But it's got a roll bar on it. Bodywork is really nice in this thing. It's like a sort of like a color is sort of like a metallic cinnamon, light cinnamon color. But it's really straight though. It's really nice. No rust or dents or scratches or anything on it, but it looks really good. Chrome is nice. It's really beautiful in it. Man, these things are just going up in price. I cannot believe the price of these Broncos, man. It's ridiculous. So, you guys out there find an old Ford early 70s used Bronco somewhere, even if it's in beat up condition, try and buy it, because people are definitely buying these things and fixing them up. But here you go, guys. Subscribe to the channel. It's greatly appreciated. Like the video. And leave your comments down below. We'll see you in the next video.